5 Best Robot Vacuum and Mop 2026. Let's dive into the details. Number 5, 3-in-1 Robot Vacuum with Self-Emptying Base and LiDAR Navigation. Meet the D60S Max, your smart, hands-free cleaning companion. With a self-emptying base that holds up to 70 days of dirt and a powerful 6,000 pascal suction that tackles pet hair and crumbs on any floor, it does the work so you don't have to. Thanks to 360 degrees LiDAR navigation, it maps your home with precision, saves multiple floor plans, and cleans efficiently, even returning to recharge and resume. Control it via app, voice, Alexa, or Google, or remote, and customize cleaning with 6 modes and no-go zones. Quiet, smart, and built for real life, the D60S Max delivers a spotless home with minimal effort because you've got better things to do. Number 4, Ecovacs Debit X11, Smart Robot Vacuum and Mop. Meet the Ecovacs Debit X11, your effortlessly smart floor care partner. Designed for large homes, it cleans deeper and smarter with 19,500 pascal suction, tangle-free brushes, and roller mops that scrub 50% closer to edges. It climbs thresholds, lifts mops on carpets, and recharges fast with Gone Tech, all while learning your habits via the intuitive YKO agent. The bagless OMNI station auto-empties, washes mops in 167 degrees Fahrenheit water, and refills, so you never lift a finger. With AI navigation, voice control, and seamless smart home integration, the X11 doesn't just clean your floors, it adapts to your life. Say hello to spotless floors, zero hassle. Number 3, Self-Emptying Robot Vacuum with LiDAR Navigation. Tired of constantly emptying your robot vacuum? Meet the S6 Pro, your ultimate cleaning companion. With a 3L self-emptying station, it handles dust and debris for up to 60 days, so you can truly relax. Its Gen 3.0 LiDAR navigation maps your home with precision, avoiding obstacles and cleaning every corner. No repeats, no misses. Whether it's sweeping, vacuuming, or mopping, or all 3 at once. The 5,000 pascal suction and smart carpet boost tackle pet hair and deep dirt effortlessly. Run it via app or voice command. Set custom zones, adjust suction and water levels per room, and let it auto-resume after recharging. Quiet, intelligent, and hands-free, cleaning just got a whole lot smarter. Number 2, Self-Emptying Robot Vacuum and Mop with LiDAR Navigation. Tired of daily cleaning? Meet the BL20 Pro, your smart, self-emptying cleaning companion. With 5,000 pascals powerful suction, it effortlessly tackles dirt, hair, and dust on any floor. Thanks to advanced 360 degrees LiDAR navigation, it maps your home with precision, boosting cleaning efficiency by 70% while avoiding obstacles. The large-capacity auto-empty station delivers up to 90 days of hands-free cleaning. Just set it and forget it. Use the intuitive app to customize cleaning schedules, adjust suction, or create no-go zones. Perfect for busy households, it's more than a vacuum, it's peace of mind. Give the gift of free time and spotless floors. Your home deserves smarter care. Number 1, 3-in-1 Robot Vacuum with LiDAR Navigation and Self-Emptying. Say goodbye to daily chores with the D13S Max, your smart, self-sufficient cleaning companion. This 3-in-1 robot vacuum, mop, and sweeper delivers powerful 11,500 pascal suction to effortlessly tackle pet hair, crumbs, and stubborn grime on any floor type. Equipped with advanced LiDAR navigation, it precisely maps your home, expertly avoiding obstacles like pet bowls and reaching tight spaces under furniture. The self-emptying base holds up to 70 days of debris, minimizing maintenance. Features like Carpet Auto Boost, washable mop pads, and a quiet, do not disturb mode ensure seamless, stress-free cleaning. Simply set it and forget it. Enjoy a consistently spotless home with zero effort. So, that sums up my 5 best robot vacuum and mop. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time, have a